And we're back. And today we're gonna do a fun fall activity because it's still fall, even though Halloween is done. I went shopping today to find some cute Thanksgiving stuff, and there is none because it's all on clearance because it's all about Christmas. So we're still celebrating fall. We are gonna do the Harry Potter Hagrid's Hut Lego set, and the Flapped tagged us in the Fall 15 Questions Challenge. So we're gonna do that and put together this Lego set, and we'll see, and we're gonna try and drink wine at the same time. We'll see.
We're not doing too much, are we?
Oh, we'll see how this goes.
Let's dig in.
Let's dig in.
I gotta know, when can we do this again?
All right, so here's our instruction manual. It's not too bad. This is 496 pieces, so we'll see how long this takes. We're getting kind of a late start.
Yeah.
But it has this cool lighted brick in it.
A lit brick.
Yeah. Okay, bag number 1 is gonna be Hagrid's front door and Buckbeak, and then bag 2 is like the hut.
Bye-bye.
And bag 3 is the pumpkin patch. And the rest of it's hut. Okay, should we answer our first question?
Question number 1.
Question number 1 is, what is your favorite Halloween movie?
I know what yours is.
Hocus Pocus.
Hocus Pocus.
Yeah, definitely Hocus
I
Pocus.
think I've heard that around the horn. I would say that's probably mine too.
Yeah?
Yeah, I mean,
so?
you know.
Nightmare Before Christmas.
I do like a little bit Nightmare Before Christmas.
You like the
I
music.
also like I can never remember the name of the movies. It's with the song and the
Rocky Horror Picture Show.
Rocky Horror Picture Show.
Bam! Just like that. That's all there is to it.
So that's not really a Halloween.
Kind of is, though.
Kind of
It's definitely Halloween-esque.
is. Yeah.
What's your favorite Halloween movie?
What's your favorite Halloween
My
movie?
favorite Halloween movie is
You don't know?
my Halloween video, my favorite movie.
How about Harry Potter?
Yeah.
Yeah, Harry Potter.
Question number 2. Apple or pumpkin pie? Apple or pumpkin pie?
I think in general I like apple better, but I do enjoy a good pumpkin pie this time of year.
Yeah.
Wee.
I like pumpkin. in
You like
general.
pumpkin?
I know it's not really pumpkin pie.
It's true. There's a big controversy. You know?
You're
You're so loud, Lily.
Hey Wally, apple or pumpkin pie?
Do you like apple pie or pumpkin pie?
apple pie.
Apple pie?
That doesn't surprise me. What are you drinking right now?
What are you drinking right now?
Apple pie.
Apple juice.
Question number 3. Halloween party or haunted house?
Halloween party.
Halloween party?
Halloween pie.
Halloween
Yeah.
party, all around.
We don't really like haunted houses.
No.
They're too spooky.
Yeah, me
Right,
know.
buddy?
They're
We
very
did.
spooky. That is what you do in a haunted house. Maybe you should go to a haunted house, buddy. I think you would.
You have a good scream.
No.
You don't want to go to haunted houses, too
No.
spooky.
Yeah, me like Halloween parties.
You like Halloween parties. You do like Halloween parties. You're a party animal.
Number Walter.
It's true, you are Walter. But you're also a party animal.
Mommy by Walter.
You're just Walter.
We don't
You're party Walter.
Party Walter in the house tonight? Question number 4. Store-bought pumpkin or a pumpkin
patch.
Pumpkin patch.
Pumpkin patch, yeah.
Pumpkin patch.
Check out our video, Irene will link it right here, of visiting the pumpkin patch.
Yeah, we like pumpkin patch.
We like pumpkin patch.
Yeah,
Definitely you always have to do a pumpkin patch pumpkin if you have the chance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Question number 5.
Question number 5.
Your favorite fall scent?
Favorite fall scent? Pumpkin spice.
The pumpkin spice
All
scent?
things pumpkin spice is my favorite scent.
Yeah, I agree.
All right, we got bag number 1 done. We got the front of Hagrid's hut. And then the inside here, got this cool chair in there. All right, ready for bag number 2. All right, question number 6.
Mama.
Favorite fall drink?
Mama.
I
Wally,
think
what's your favorite fall drink?
My favorite fall drink is apple juice.
Apple juice, yep.
That's a good fall drink. I don't know. I think my favorite fall one this year was the Cinderella latte. That was half white chocolate mocha, half pumpkin spice latte. Because those are my 2 favorite Starbucks drinks.
And it wasn't sweet.
It was sweet.
Okay.
It was very sweet. But I don't know, I like the cold brew, the nitro cold brew. But I think the problem with being like trying to avoid dairy is we do the almond milk, and so you don't really get the sweet cream, you get the almond milk. So it's good, but it's not as good. Are you rocking out over there?
You rocking out with the apple juice in your mouth?
Are you shaking the apple juice? Are you making an apple juice martini in your mouth?
I like all the fall cocktails I can make.
It's true.
So we haven't even gotten into them yet, but we have the ginger snap. Yeah.
That's a good one.
Yep. And then the almond.
Wally. Mark likes doing cocktails.
Yes. Yeah.
Wally probably will like
We've
cocktails.
got an almond milk liqueur that
Yes.
is excellent as well. So question number 7. Do you favor Halloween or Thanksgiving?
That's a hard question.
Which do you like better, buddy?
Don't pick your nose.
Honey.
Halloween.
You like Halloween? Do you even remember what Thanksgiving is?
Papa be choo-choo.
Yeah, Papa gets out his choo-choo at Thanksgiving
Yeah, he
time,
does.
doesn't he?
Yeah.
I'm Halloween all the way.
Because there's like more to do leading up to Halloween, and Thanksgiving is just kind of like a day of eating.
Yes.
So
Day of eating.
Halloween's like a little bit more than that, I guess.
Yeah, I absolutely love Halloween because I can get out all my fun toys from my theatrical background. What did we do while we put up all the lights? All the blow up things? Yeah. Question number 8. Most loved pumpkin-based food.
We do a lot of pumpkin-based food.
I'm just gonna start out. Our pumpkin beer chili every year, hands down.
What's your favorite?
Yeah.
I think I like the pumpkin lasagna.
That was really good too.
Pumpkin lasagna is one of my favorites.
And
You like a pumpkin quesadilla?
Yeah.
Yeah,
for those that are haters, it contains actual pumpkin.
it does.
Maybe the yam or whatever it is
Well,
that comes in the
In the can.
in the
Canned pumpkin.
canned pumpkin.
We like all the pumpkin things. My pumpkin gnocchi's really good too.
Very good.
I haven't made that yet this year. That one tends to come out more towards like Thanksgiving
Yeah.
and like true winter.
Question number 9. Corn maze or haunted hayride. And I can tell you which one I'm on right away.
Yeah, but neither. I don't like the haunted hayride. I'm not a big fan of corn mazes. Mark's definitely allergic to corn.
Yeah, I'm not doing no corn mazes.
So we don't do corn mazes in general. But I don't like...
Bye.
You like what?
Bye.
The hayride?
Wee.
I like anything that's a ride. I don't really like haunted things, but I would do a hayride if it wasn't haunted.
Yeah.
Just like a hayride.
A hayride.
Yeah.
Not a haunted hayride.
I've never even heard of a haunted hayride. I've heard of like a haunted corn maze and a hayride.
Or a haunted hayride.
No.
Question number 10. Favorite candy to eat on Halloween? You love candy, yes.
What's your favorite candy?
What's your favorite candy?
All
All
the candy. What's your favorite candy?
What's my favorite? Well, I can only have so many, but you did find those candy corns.
Yes,
this
true.
year.
Gluten-free.
I may go get those gluten-free, a corn-free candy corn.
Wally's going to get some kind of
We're
candy.
gonna go see what he has.
Do you like that candy?
I think we've determined Starburst.
Ooh,
Yeah.
I love Starburst too.
Can you share? Can you share with
Can you
Mom?
share with me?
No.
I'll open it for you.
Okay.
And I brought these. The Yum Earth.
Ooh, what are those? Can I see?
No, we don't have to.
Please, can you please share with me?
No.
Please?
You want it.
Please.
Okay.
Let me see what the other one is. This one's strawberry. And what's that one?
See, it's real candy corn.
What's this one?
And I'm not gonna die.
Ooh, do you want strawberry or watermelon? Watermelon.
Final bag.
On the final bag.
Bag number 3.
And here's the hut so far. He's got all this cute little like kitchen stuff up there. Cute.
Question 11. Favorite childhood fall memory?
Ooh, that's a hard one. I wasn't prepared for that. Favorite childhood fall
I would say from my childhood it's Deal's Apple Orchard. We talked about that. last time
Yeah,
on-
going to Deal's Apple Orchard's definitely like some happy memories. I don't know, I always remember the Halloween where my neighbor Jill and I were, she was a witch and I was a pumpkin witch. So I had a pumpkin costume and so I was a pumpkin witch. I have one very vivid memory of watching the like early 1990s Disney Channel Halloween special and like laying in my bedroom in sleeping bags and watching on my little TV. Like, gosh, I don't even know how big that TV would have been. What, like a 12-inch TV?
Probably.
Like, probably the size of like my laptop monitor. Watching that, and then my dad came in and had on like a spooky monster mask and scared us. So I remember that. Wally, what's your favorite childhood Halloween memory?
I rated that all being with you.
Being with us. Oh,
That's so nice, bud.
that's pretty sweet, buddy. We love you.
Yeah.
We love being with you too.
My
Favorite Thanksgiving food?
Favorite Thanksgiving food?
We're not there yet.
I don't know. I like my cranberry sauce.
You do like
Last year we made a really good green bean casserole. Remember that?
That was really good.
Like it was made like from scratch with like real mushrooms. We made our own gravy. That was really good. And then the pies. The pies
Yeah.
are definitely my favorite. My mom always makes a chocolate pecan pie that's like really good. And this year we're gonna make apple pie from the apples we got from the orchard. So we're really excited about
Yep.
that.
Remember the orchard trip?
Yeah.
I already put a link up here. Scarf or sweater?
Probably sweater. I like a really nice cozy sweater. That's probably one of my favorite things. I have a lot of scarves. I used to wear scarves a lot, but I don't wear them as much. So
and I'm 100% sweater.
Yeah, you like your sweaters. Your nerd sweaters.
Yep. Question 14. Wool socks or slippers?
Definitely wool socks.
Wool socks, eh?
We're a wool sock family. A good pair of wool socks is like the best.
I used to be a slipper guy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I don't know, I have a couple different pairs of slippers, but I've just never been a slipper person.
Question 15. As we put the pumpkins on, what is your favorite fall tradition?
Well, probably the pumpkin patch.
Yeah, my button.
Probably the pumpkin patch.
This my
Yeah,
button.
it's really fun. And I don't know, just like all the fall things. Just getting ready for fall. That's a pumpkin patch.
Is that your favorite thing, Wally? The pumpkin patch?
What's your favorite thing to do in the fall?
What did it?
Ride the choo-choo? Yeah, the barrel train. The barrel train was pretty fun.
Yeah.
And there it is! We're done with Hagrid's hut! Look at that. There's Buckbeak out front. And there's Hagrid. And who is this guy? The like chancellor or something? I don't know.
A minister of magic.
Minister of Magic, is it?
I think so.
I don't know. And the executioner. And here's Harry
Potter.
and Ron and Hermione. Oops.
You
We
know,
have too much.
magic on here.
There we go.
You know what?
You don't like him on there? You trying to free Buckbeak? You're gonna free Buckbeak? Oh my gosh, watch out.
It on there.
You don't like him on there? Let him go, huh? Run, Buckbeak, run! Spoiler alert, that's what happens in the movie. Alright, so we did it. We built Hagrid's hut. There it is, all done. It's really cool. I like how it has the 2 rooms. It has like his main room where they come and they have the gross tea. And then he's got like his little study over here. Super cute. And then we got the pumpkin patch with Buckbeak over here. Wally's kind of modified the operation. He didn't like Buckbeak being tethered to the thing. That was really fun. So we built Hagrid's hut and we did our 15 fall question challenge. And we're gonna tag some friends to do it too.
Hey Wally, we gotta tag some friends.
Do you want to tag some friends? Alright, so we are going to tag Diz Goals, Disney Junkie Ashley, Ferris Chrissy, our friend Ferris Chrissy. Her channel is awesome if you're not subscribed to her already.
Promise Hope.
Promise Hope. And who was the other one we were gonna tag? Oh my gosh, I totally forgot. We were gonna tag, Magic Geekdom. So those are the 5 people we're tagging. We'll link the description or the link to their channels down in the description below. Thank you guys for watching.
This is the wonderful world of Walter.
And we love you just the way you are.
Bye.